everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, a million kisses, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Today we're going to be doing this braided face cap. It's very convenient, especially for a casual outing. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy and learn a thing or two from this tutorial. Look at how beautiful it looks. It looks so real, like you have braids on your hair itself. So let's get straight into the tutorial.
So today we want to do a braided wig on a hat or a face cap. So I chose this, my cap. I've had it at home for a while now. I decided to use it, and of course I have a mannequin's hair. And then we're going to be using this color, this braided wig. I got it from my local online shop, Lazada. I'm going to leave the link below, drop the link below, so you can have yours too. Different colors up there if you want. So we're going to get started right away. Unless I forget, I'll be using the small crochet hook. That's in order to ease access to be able to get in the cap. To start off, we're going to turn our cap inside out. Turn it inside out like this, and then we pin it on the mannequin's head. We secure it tightly. Yep, there you go. And there you go. Yeah, it's bigger than my mannequin's head. What can I do? Okay, it's tightly secured. Now I'm going to crochet a handful of my hair in small pieces. Oh, excuse the noise. Constructing something. So we're going to crochet a handful, small pieces on the rim of the cap. Oopsie, what happened? Okay, you see, we go in here. We are using this line. We want to start from here, from where the extension in front starts. So we start from here. We put it inside. We grab the hair. We close the lash, and then we pull it back out. We grab the hair again, we close the lash, and then show it one more time again. And go to the next. Put it inside. We grab the hair, all of it, make sure all of it gets in the hook. And then we close the lash, we pull it out. You see, there's a reason why I'm using the small crochet hook, because the big one might be difficult to get in here. And there you go. So I'm going to place hair all around here before I start braiding.
Okay, now that we are done crocheting the hair on the rim of the cap, we go ahead to start braiding. First, what I did was I divided the hair I needed for each braid into 3, and then I was just adding it piece by piece, because I didn't want the base to be too bulky. So that's why I did that. It helps to make it have a natural look. So I just kept adding a piece at a time. I divided, as I said, into 3 pieces, and I just kept adding and braiding. And I made sure by the time I was getting to the part that is going to be completely out of the face cap, I had added all my 3 pieces. See, there you go. By the time I'm getting out there, you see the part that is under the face cap is a little bit thinner than what is going to be out of it. I just braided until the end. We're just box braiding. There we go. And when you get finished, you want to get in with your scissors to trim off the stubborn hair, like the hair that it's just there. You know what I mean? So there you go. You see what I was saying about the thinner section being inside and the bigger section being outside. And we go to the next again. I'm just going to repeat the process. As I said earlier, I divided the hair I was going to be using for one braid into 3, and then I just kept adding it and braiding. And braiding until the end. There you go. I'll actually come back with more hair to make it a little bit fuller than it looks right now. So now we have to go in there and crochet hair again to be able to braid it. Oh my god. So basically we do the same thing like what we did on the other part. We just put in hair there, we're just crocheting hair there, and then we're going to braid it later. Same principle like what we did, but now for this part, since there is no since the section that is supposed to be inside the face cap is not a lot, I'm just going to go in there with the full hair at once. I will not need to divide it into 3 pieces. I think I divided into 2, but up to you. Just go in there with your hair at once and just braid it. Yeah. Just go in as I said and just continue braiding, box braiding until the end. And there you go. Well, the hair still looks a little bit stiff, so we need to treat it with hot water, like really hot water. The hair I had at home actually got finished and I ordered for more. You can see there are 2 shades. the one I ordered for came in a different shade, but it's a beautiful blend though. So I pour in my hot water and then I air dry. Voila. Oh my goodness, I really love this. It's so beautiful. I'm telling you, if you're one who likes to go casual outings, before casual outings without stressing too much, just pick up your face cap and you're good to go. This hair is definitely for you. So thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share my video, comment as well. And if you happen to create this tutorial, please give me a shout out and I'll be sure to share your video. Thank you once more. Thank you for stopping by. I hope to see you more often. Okay, goodbye.